Blusher x Warner Music Australia, unveiling the Max Volume Tubing Mascara. Get ready to elevate your beauty game. The vibrant pop trio Blusher has joined forces with Warner Music Australia and MECCA MAX to unveil the Max Volume Tubing Mascara, a revolutionary mascara that promises to deliver high-impact volume without the smudges. This exciting collaboration comes hot on the heels of their latest single, Racer, which will be front and center in a dynamic campaign rolling out across YouTube, Meta, and TikTok starting today. If you're looking for lashes that truly stand out, the Max Volume Tubing Mascara is here to make your dreams come true. Designed for those who love to perform, this mascara enhances your lashes with a fluttery, defined look that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're the star of the show or supporting your friends, this buildable tubing formula is your new best friend. It's smudge-free, flake-free, and delivers instant volume thanks to its innovative triangular brush that takes your lashes to new heights. Just one coat gives you serious drama, but feel free to layer it on for a look that's maxed out. Adrian Wauchope, SVP Commercial Australasia at Warner Music Australia, expressed his excitement about this partnership, saying, "We're absolutely thrilled to bring together MECCA MAX and Blusher in this exciting brand partnership. MECCA's bold and innovative approach to beauty perfectly aligns with Blusher's fresh, dynamic energy, making this a natural and powerful collaboration. We can't wait to see how this partnership inspires fans across music and beauty." Band member Jade Ingvarson Favretto couldn't contain her enthusiasm either. "We are pinching ourselves as we are incredibly excited to partner with a female-founded, Aussie makeup brand that's all about bold self-expression and experimentation with color. Racer is a song about being the main character of your own life, your own stunt person, and it feels so fitting for MECCA MAX. The Max Volume Tubing Mascara is such a game changer for us and lasts through all our sweat and tears on stage. So, whether you're hitting the stage or just want to look fabulous for a night out, the Max Volume Tubing Mascara is your go-to product for lashes that truly pop."